Welcome back. Let's talk about optional parameters and functions. So here we have our JavaScript function. So in JavaScript, this is a JavaScript. So I can call the JavaScript with just one parameter. It won't complain. So if I go here and say only 4, it won't complain because in JavaScript we can ignore the parameters or arguments and pass only one value to the function. But in TypeScript, if we go and do that, it will start to complain. So here I'm getting an error, but ignore this error. It is related to this file because I have touched this. So let me close this file and open it again. Okay, so now if I try to do the same thing here, let's say multiply type with only one parameter, which is let's say 5, then TypeScript compiler here it says argument num2 not provided. And here also I get this problem. So here, how can we get rid of this issue? How can we say that we want to basically have one parameter optional? So the way we want to achieve that in JavaScript, how can we achieve it in TypeScript? So for that, TypeScript provides us a optional parameter mechanism. But to have that, let's go ahead and copy paste this method because I don't want to override this so that it will be there for the reference. So I say opt optional, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the optional parameter, and we should specify this parameter optional by means of specifying a question mark at the end. But one constraint, this optional parameter should always come after the required parameters. Optional, we can have n number of optional parameters, but the condition is optional parameters should always come after required parameter. That's the only condition. So now we also need to modify the logic of our program. What if the parameter is optional? But that was not the case in JavaScript. So JavaScript would have behaved weird if we passed. We saw that. But in TypeScript, it gives us a compilation error, so we need to handle it. So we say if the optional parameter, which is num2, exists, only then do this, else just return the required parameter. So this is the logic I am giving. You can give your own logic. And now our program does not complain and it works fine. So this was the concept of optional parameters in TypeScript. Thank you.